Coming up, let's hear about the partnership between Seagate and Synology and check out their IronWolf drives and NAS devices.
You're watching YBLTV.
I have a ton of these LaCie ruggeds. How can we centralize all of our data and make it safe and accessible for everyone?
Well, first off, with the LaCie drives, it's great for performance and capturing your data. But of course, like yourself, a lot of creative professionals actually have a ton of these guys all the time. And they get unorganized, they get lost. Great way about doing that. Yes, this is great for performance, but you want to make sure it's centralized. So when you centralize it, you use something like a Synology NAS. A Synology NAS allows you to actually have a huge storage pool of drives. Right now we have these IronWolf Pro 10 terabyte drives, and these are optimized for 24/7 use. They handle the heavy workload rates that creative professionals like yourself need. So this guy is actually up to 300 terabytes a year. From there, you have file sharing, you have remote access, and then and of course you're backing up all your data into this one spot. So you could essentially think of a NAS being your own private cloud. It's all within your own system, and of course, when you're out at Starbucks, you could access this data remotely if you want to, and pull a file. You could share this file remotely at Starbucks. You could absolutely do that. So a NAS box does a billion things, and IronWolf actually helps make sure that everything is running well with this NAS box.
What if one drive fails? What happens then?
Okay. Yeah, if one drive fails, you want to make sure that the network attached storage is set up in RAID. So for a 2-bay, you could either set up for RAID 0 for performance, but you don't want to go that route even though it's great for performance. You want to have redundancy. So for a 2-bay, you're going to set it up in a RAID 1, where it's going to be mirroring the drive. So we'll have two 10 terabyte IronWolf Pro drives we have placed into this disk station. And then with it being mirrored, you have access up to 10 terabytes, and the other drive is for redundancy purposes. So if the drive fails, at least you have that redundancy in a RAID 1 setup.
How can we prevent a drive failing?
With IronWolf and our partnership with Synology, we have something called an IronWolf Health Management System, or a Health Management API that's installed onto Disk Station Manager, which is Synology's operating system. And once you insert a IronWolf drive into a Synology disk station, it'll automatically detect that it is an IronWolf drive. If I go into the health information, it'll give you the description and the status of the hard drive. With IronWolf Health Management, you have the intervention, you have the prevention, and the rescue recovery services with the drive as well. The IronWolf Pro comes with 2 years of data recovery. If there's any corruption to this drive, viruses, fire, flood, that happens to the drive or the NAS enclosure, Seagate will recover that data, and we have a 90% success rate because it's all in-house.